Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aditi. In today's video, you guys already know by the topic, I will be talking about a skincare routine that I follow to get that beautiful festival wala glow on my face. Now, if you are a bride to be or a bridesmaid, and if you are none of it but you still want to get that beautiful natural glow on your face without any dark spots, properly exfoliated skin, bright even toned skin, these products are gonna help you to get that. Well, the products that I'm talking about are from Jovees Herbals. I have Jovees Herbals bridal range, which contains a face wash, a face scrub, a face mask, and also a face cream. Jovees Herbals is a 100% natural brand, and all their products are paraben free and also PETA certified. It's such an easy routine that you can do by yourself at the comfort of your home. Let's begin and let me show you how you want to use these products. For the first step, you need to cleanse your face really nicely. For that, I will be using this Jovees Herbals Bridal Brightening Face Wash. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this on my palm, and then I'm gonna emulsify this and start washing my face. Now you wanna apply this and massage this for about 40 to 50 seconds on your face. This face wash has cherry fruit juice, beerberry juice, mulberry fruit juice, kiwi juice, and also glycerin, which is gonna deeply hydrate and moisturize your skin. I like this face wash especially because it really nicely cleanses my skin without making it dry at all. It leaves my skin with such a nice moisture. Once you're done cleansing your face, the second step would be face scrub. Now that your skin is really nicely clean, the top layer of your skin is clean, but you really need to deeply cleanse your skin, and for that you need to exfoliate. So that I will be using this Jovees Herbals Bridal Brightening Face Scrub. You get 100 gram of the product for 290 rupees. This is a physical scrub. This has really small granules which really deeply cleanses your skin. You just don't want to apply too much pressure. Just be very gentle on your skin and then scrub your skin. It's gonna help you with whiteheads and blackheads and will give you really nice and smooth skin. So after you're done using the scrub, you would see the difference in your skin, in the texture of your skin within one use, because it removes all the dead skin cells from your skin, and of course when the new skin is revealed, it is definitely much more smoother. This face scrub has honey, yogurt, turmeric powder, mulethi root powder, sandalwood powder, vitamin C. So all the goodness of these ingredients is gonna give you a really nice and bright skin. Now the next step is my favorite, that is face mask. I just enjoy face mask a lot. So I will be using this Jovees Herbals Bridal Brightening Face Mask. You get 100 ml of the product for 280 rupees. So all you need to do, just take out some product and apply this evenly on your face. You can use your fingers or brush, however you like to apply this. This is a really nice and thick mask, and you wanna apply this all over your face. If you like, you can apply this on your neck as well. This has turmeric extract, sandalwood, along with precious herbal extract and botanicals that shall help bring radiance and glow to your skin. So if you're dealing with dull and uneven skin tone, then this face mask is going to help you with that. So after 15 to 20 minutes, you just want to rinse it off, and then you will see that your skin feels a lot more brighter within one use. Now you of course do not want to apply this every single day. I personally like to use this twice a week, and that is more than enough. Now the last step is to hydrate our skin and lock that moisture into our skin. So for that, I will be using this Jovees Herbals Bridal Brightening Face Cream. This has 60 gram of the product, and this retails for 320 rupees. Again, you do not need too much product of this. You just need a tiny bit amount of this, and then apply this all over your face. It is extremely hydrating and moisturizing. I just like to apply this all over my face and neck area, and then I massage it for a few seconds, and then it just leaves my skin with such beautiful glow. This also has jojoba oil and glycerin, which is gonna deeply moisturize your skin. Now I personally like to use this during night because that is the perfect time for our skin to repair. So yeah, wash your face with this face wash and then apply a small amount of this cream on your face and on your neck area, and then just sleep, and you will wake up with the smoothest and brighter looking skin. I am just loving these products these days a lot. Of course, I use them daily depending on the product. You do not want to use the face scrub daily. I personally like to use a face scrub twice or maybe thrice a week. That is more than enough to exfoliate your skin, and the face mask you want to apply twice a week. I love these products so much. I'm gonna leave the link of these products and all the details about these in the description box below, so do not forget to check that out. And I really hope you guys found this video helpful, and also And I really hope you guys found this video helpful and also enjoyed watching this. If you did, then make sure that you like this video and also subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, bye.